VTEC, or Variable Valve Timing and Lift Electronic Control, is a valve timing system developed by Honda to improve the low RPM volume efficiency of an engine. This system uses two camshaft lobes and electronically selects between these profiles. The Honda VTEC system has only two lobes as opposed to an infinitely variable valve timing system. So these two lobes control valve open time as well as lift at idle and at high RPMs. VTEC systems were designed to provide improvements in fuel efficiency or increased power output as well as improved fuel efficiency. Rather than one cam lobe actuating each valve, VTEC has two lobes. One optimized for low RPM stability and fuel efficiency, the other designed to maximize high RPM power output. Switching between the two cam lobes is controlled by the ECU, which takes into account engine oil pressure, speed, temperature, and throttle position. From these inputs, the ECU is programmed to switch from the low lift to the high lift cam lobes when the conditions dictate to do so. At the switch point, a solenoid is actuated, which allows oil pressure to operate a locking pin, binding the high RPM cam follower to the low RPM ones. From this point on, the poppet valve opens and closes according to the high lift profile, which opens the valve further and for a longer time. The switchover point is variable between a minimum and maximum parameter and is determined by engine load. The switch back from high to low RPM lobes is set at a lower engine speed, and the up switch to avoid a situation in which the engine is asked to operate continuously at or around the switchover point. In other words, the ACM avoids staying at the switchover point during cruise. The VTEC system is found on dual overhead cam systems, as well as single overhead cam engines.